Keeping your basement dry can be a task with many options. Stay tuned as Water Tunnel and Fast Track duke it out to see which is best for you. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Today I am comparing two similar basement drainage systems, Water Tunnel and Fast Track. I'll tell you the advantages of both and let you know which one is best for your basement. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. So one of the major advantages of the Water Tunnel system is just the expense. It's a cheaper process to actually install with the same warranty. The reason that it's cheaper is there's less concrete to take out and there's less labor to get that prepared for the system itself, and the system itself actually costs a little bit less. There's a couple big advantages for the Fast Track drainage system. Number one, the capacity of the water that it can carry is usually about twice as much as what Water Tunnel is, or similar water drainage systems. The other one is it's adaptable. No matter how old your home, no matter what your foundation structure, how thick your foundation slab, Fast Track will work. This is what comes up in the inspection process. We're going to look at the age of your home. What does the foundation look like? How thick does the slab look to be? And that best determines which drainage system's best for that basement. If it's a thin slab, if it's an older home, usually Fast Track's the best way to go, just because usually there's no footing, or the footing's been deteriorated, or the slab itself is very thin. And so it's the guaranteed way to work. Or is it just more wet? It gets damp in the corners. If it's more damp, then maybe Water Tunnel is the right system for you. But like I said earlier, Fast Track's going to run a lot more water, and so that may be best for the home that's getting a couple inches of water in the basement. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about Water Tunnel or Fast Track? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.